So now let's see how we can utilize the Guided Orion effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go under Guided option right here, and then over here under Special Edits, you can see Orion effect is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that I can go around and click on Add Orion Effect right here, just like this. Then you can go around and increase up the blurriness right here, so you can make the overall image look dreamy, as you can see. And you can go around, add in noise to the picture over here as well, and add in a bit of brightness to it right here, just like this. And that's the Orion effect. You can go around and make everything much more dreamy, as you can see, just like this. So you can really make it out. Let's change around the blur option right here, and that is what you have. And that is how you can utilize the Guided Orion effect, as you can see, and you can continue editing this in Quick or Expert as you wish. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.